Certainly. Here's an overview of the stages involved in chocolate manufacturing. Harvesting and fermentation. The process begins with the harvesting of ripe cocoa pods. The pods are carefully opened, and the cocoa beans inside are extracted. These beans are then fermented to develop the desired flavors and remove the surrounding pulp. Drying. After fermentation, the cocoa beans are spread out to dry. This step is crucial for reducing moisture content and stabilizing the beans for further processing. The beans are typically dried under the sun or using specialized drying equipment. Roasting. Once dried, the cocoa beans are roasted to bring out their complex flavors. Roasting also helps in removing any remaining moisture and enhancing the aroma of the beans. The beans are heated at specific temperatures and durations, varying based on desired flavor profiles. Grinding and conching. The roasted cocoa beans are ground into a paste called cocoa liquor. The grinding process generates heat, which liquefies the cocoa butter present in the beans, resulting in a smooth and fluid consistency. This cocoa liquor is then conched, a process that involves continuous mixing and kneading to refine the texture and flavor of the chocolate. Tempering. The chocolate is then tempered, a controlled cooling and reheating process that stabilizes the cocoa butter crystals. This step is essential for achieving a shiny appearance, smooth texture, and snap when the chocolate is broken. Tempering also contributes to the long shelf life and resistance to melting of the final chocolate product. Molding and cooling. The tempered chocolate is poured into molds, which give the chocolate its desired shape, such as bars, truffles, or bonbons. The molds are then cooled to allow the chocolate to solidify and set. This process is typically carried out in temperature-controlled environments to ensure proper crystallization. Packaging. Once the chocolates have cooled and hardened, they are removed from the molds and packaged for distribution. Packaging materials are chosen to protect the chocolates from moisture, light, and other external factors that could affect their quality. Labels and branding are also added to the packaging to provide product information and enhance visual appeal. It's important to note that these stages may vary slightly depending on the specific chocolate manufacturing process and the desired characteristics of the chocolate. Additionally, chocolate manufacturers may incorporate additional steps, such as adding flavorings, inclusions like nuts or fruits, or further refining the chocolate to achieve specific textures or tastes.